Greetings from the height of mobile luxury. The well-known luxury brand Rolls-Royce takes you to a new world in 2026. The world of road travel. Presenting the Rolls-Royce Motorhome for 2026. It creates what appears to be an artwork from the outside by fusing the renowned Rolls-Royce design with the enormous size of a camper. The Spirit of Ecstasy leads with its iconic Pantheon grille and cutting-edge laser illumination on each side. A custom two-tone paint job that reflects the sky or the scenery it crosses completes the svelte bodywork. From the hand-polished 24-inch alloy wheels to the beautifully inlaid chrome details, every element radiates elegance. This beauty was the result of an engineering marvel. The cutting-edge 6.75-liter twin-turbo hybrid V12 engine of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 produces an amazing 700 horsepower. Every ride is as smooth as a cloud thanks to the 8-speed automatic transmission's unmatched power and fluidity, even on tough terrain. Unmatched comfort is guaranteed every mile thanks to contemporary adaptive suspension technology, which automatically adapts to the driving conditions. The dashboard that greets you as soon as you enter is a piece of digital art rather than merely a control panel. It is made of high-gloss carbon fiber or hand-polished veneer wood and features a panoramic OLED display that fills almost the whole width of the cabin. It has dynamic 3D holographic navigation, multi-zone climate control, and key information displays. The steering wheel is even more of a sculpture with its rapid capacitive touch controls, supple leather padding, and cool-to-the-touch metal accents. The custom-made Swiss analog clock in the middle gives a touch of classic elegance, and time is a luxury that should be appreciated in a Rolls-Royce. The interior of a Rolls-Royce campervan is a gorgeous addition to any home because of its always shifting scenery. You can unwind in unmatched luxury thanks to the custom leather seats that rotate and fully recline. The cabin's gorgeous real wood paneling, polished metal accents, and adjustable LED ambient lighting create a mood-appropriate atmosphere. A unique soundproofing method ensures a library-like atmosphere even when there are outside traffic noises. You may take in views of the countryside without compromising your privacy thanks to large, electrically insulated panoramic windows. The master bedroom, a peaceful retreat, is accessed through exquisite sliding doors. An ergonomic mattress on a king-size bed guarantees a good night's sleep. Soft silk curtains and wood paneling adorn the walls, and the subdued lighting produces a soothing impression. When a button is pressed, a hidden OLED TV that provides your own entertainment will emerge from the ceiling. Personal climate control guarantees the ideal resting temperature, while a spacious closet and thoughtfully planned storage areas keep your possessions organized. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome's bathroom is a masterful fusion of style and functionality. It has a walk-in shower with a rain shower head and continuous water pressure, 2 basins with gold-plated faucets, real Italian marble flooring, and a modern ceramic toilet. Shining chrome accents, adjustable lighting, and anti-fog mirrors all contribute to the luxurious experience. This is your own spa wherever you go, not just a restroom. According to Rolls-Royce standards, even the kitchen has been refurbished. A small gourmet kitchen equipped with high-quality Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances. This contains a full-size refrigerator and freezer, a convection oven microwave, a built-in dishwasher, and a multi-burner induction cooktop. The bespoke cabinets provide enough storage, and the counters are made of polished quartz stone. Clean, filtered water is provided via an integrated water dispenser, and the necessary supplies may be kept in a tiny pantry. Whether you're cooking a gourmet feast or a fast meal, this kitchen is meant to inspire you.